But right now, let's take a stroll past this caboose.
Right, so again, Sam Laturi. I've been blacksmithing since 1997. I've been full-time for about 8 years now.
All right, so let's take a look through some of these buildings here, this old barn. Hey everyone, so we are at Pioneer Village in Ozaukee County, and they are having the fire up the forge and blacksmiths, everything else. We're gonna go take a stroll over there. But right now, let's take a stroll past this caboose. A little windy out, sorry about that. That's always the case this summer. I don't know, a lot of rain, a lot of wind. Garden's doing really good except for the tomatoes. I'm not getting enough sun. There's one of the blacksmiths there now, I think. They got the bluegrass going on. We're going to walk past there.
Was the spring, one sunny day, if I could count the leaves, which will be. Now she's gone, I don't worry. I'm sitting there down the road.
Wood smithy, huh? Is this okay?
Yeah,
Is this okay?
doesn't bother me.
Okay. I always check.
If you would know how much often I've been photographed,
Okay.
film, I've been on television.
A lot of people don't like it, so.
I don't even pay any attention.
Okay. I always make sure, though.
Oh, that's what all cool is.
Oh.
Okay. Yes, sir. Here's the hammer there. And what I need is a point on either end of this. So we'll start with a point there and I'll put and we do the other end. All set? I said I just okay. I'll do the point.
You know, you're bigger in one area than the other. You gotta kind of come down flatter and square. Hitting like this, and you're follow that over. Right. All right. You gotta go shut. Same thing. Right. Go a little forward. Basically, the scale wraps around and goes on top of the scale.
Go ahead.
All right. So again, Sam Laturi. I've been blacksmithing since 1997. I've been full time for about 8 years now. We mostly do commercial stuff, but we love doing these shows, doing demos. And at these shows, we do stuff that people can use, like barbecue forks and other knickknacks, you know. And yeah, just having a great day out here because who can beat this weather?
Oh, yeah. It finally turned nice, huh?
It really did. So yeah, I'm just heating up the steel here, you know, and I'm gonna bring these off to a little more of a point, straighten them up, get them ready, and later on I'm gonna add some decoration to it, you know, a little twist, that sort of thing, and get it ready for sale.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Absolutely.
If you believe in it, that's where you're going.
So it is whatever you want to believe.
Yeah. I don't have any proof of otherwise.
Yeah. Well, this was my idea.
Oh, here. Oh, what is creation?
Way back once upon a time. Very old here. Yes.
All right, let's start heading back out to this place out here. Yeah, you know I always got to get that. All right, if you haven't been out here, you should come out. There's more stuff going on. I'll put the schedule at the end of this video. I'll leave a link to the website. Come on out and check this out and support this.
There's an old hawthorne tree. We lay down and love around the bend, we can come back again. Just go that we always get around our and every in our view. I might shove my mug if you fill up my jug. Let you roll mountain. This road we just have a know. We heard that we tried all we through. If you lingers too red, it'll swell up your head. Better stick to that girl mountain. All in that girl mountain. Spend every evening in our food. I wish I was glad we could fill up my jug and go mountain. By with his head high, stood high, and fight that down. He thought that I ordered to sell him a quart, that good old all in that good old mountain. And every evening I wish I would hug if you feel like my jug. That good old mountain. He sawed off and short. He measured his own feet. Looking like a kind man to give him a mind. That good old mountain. That good old mountain. And every evening I'll brush up my mind if you fill up my jug. That good old mountain. I'll watch my